8th graders, my name is Sara Herrera and I am a Gear Up tutor at Bel Air Middle School. In 8th grade, I remember learning the basics I needed for algebra and geometry, classes that you will be taking in high school. Today we are going to do a little refresher on how to solve system of equations part 1. Here we will do the basics, learn step by step, and then my coworker, Emily Peña, will go into more advanced steps of how to solve system of equations, part 2. Okay, let's get started. Substitution to solve for x and y. Here we have our system, x equals 5, x plus y equals 12. We know that x equals 5, so we are going to plug in 5 into x plus y equals 12. Now we have 5 plus y equals 12. Next step is to solve for y. We want to get y by itself, so we are going to subtract 5 from both sides. We get rid of 5 on the left and subtract 5 from 12. Here we get y equals 7. We are going to check to see if 5, 7 is our answer. We plug in 5 and 7 into our x and y value, and indeed, we get 12 equals 12. That is our answer. Our next example is y equals negative 3x and 4x minus 2y equals negative 20. We know that y equals negative 3x. We will be plugging in negative 3x into our equation 4x minus 2y equals negative 20. Rewrite the equation as 4x minus 2y parentheses negative 3x equals 20. We will then multiply negative 2 times negative 3x. Negative times a negative is a positive, therefore we get 6x. Next, we will combine like terms. 4x plus 6x equals 10x. We want to get x by itself, so we are going to divide both sides by 10. Negative 20 divided by 10 is negative 2, therefore x equals negative 2. Now we want to solve for y. We are going to plug in negative 2 into our x in the first equation. We get y equals negative 3 times negative 2. This will give us our y value of 6. Now we are going to plug in our x and y values into the second equation, 4x minus 2y equals negative 20. We will rewrite the equation as 4 times negative 2 minus 2 times 6 equals negative 20. 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. Negative 2 times 6 equals negative 12. Negative 8 minus 12 equals 20. Therefore, our answer, negative 2, 6, is true. In this last example, we will be using the distributive property. Our system of equations is x equals 3y plus 1, 2x plus 4y equals 12. We are going to be plugging in our x value in the first equation into our second equation. We will get 2 parentheses 3y plus 1 close parentheses plus 4y equals 12. Here we will be multiplying the 2 outside of the parentheses by 3y and 1. We multiply 2 times 3y and 2 times 1. We get 6y plus 2 plus 4y equals 12. Next, we combine like terms and get 10y plus 2 equals 12. We still want to get y by itself, so we are going to subtract 2 from both sides and get 10y equals 10. Here we will then divide both sides by 10 to get y by itself. Y equals 1. Now we will solve for x by plugging in our y value into our first equation, x equals 3y plus 1. We will rewrite this equation as x equals 3 times 1 plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, x equals 4. Now we want to check our answers. We will be plugging in 4 and 1 into our x and y values of our equation 2. We will rewrite the equation as 2 times 4 plus 4 times 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 4 times 1, that equals 4. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Our answer is correct. And now you're done. Hope this helped you remember how to do system of equations. Don't forget to check out part 2. Thank you so much for watching.